Hello everyone, my name is Amit. So today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how we have got almost 50 plus monthly sales with the ROS of 17x for jewelry store. So let's discuss client background. So our client is prominent jewelry business specializing in high quality luxurious jewelry pieces. They approached us with the goal of increasing their online sales through a target Google Ads campaign. What we did when we took over this account, its ROI was to we analyze and improve the account via reviewing various strategies and making systematic adjustments. As a result, we achieved a remarkable 17x return on ad spend. So let's discuss about objective. The primary objective was to boost online sale and achieve a high return on ad spend for the jewelry business by leveraging Google Ads. What challenges we faced? We faced highly competitive market with numerous established brands, need to reach a deserved audience across two major regions, US and Australia. Requirement to generate significant monthly sales while maintaining a high ROS. Strategy and execution to overcome the challenges and achieve the desired result. We implemented a comprehensive Google Ads strategy focusing on the following key areas: key research and optimizations. We conducted expensive keyword search to identify highly performing keywords relevant to the jewelry industry. Utilized both broad and long tail keywords to capture a wide range of search queries. Implemented negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic and improve ad relevance. Ad copy and creative. Crafted compelling ad copy, highlighted unique selling points such as quality, craftsmanship and exclusive designs. Utilized ad extension like site link, call out and structure snippet to provide additional information and increase ad visibility. So we did A/B tested different ad variation to identify the most effective messaging and creatives. Audience targeting. Utilize demographic targeting to reach the ideal customer based focusing on the age, gender and income level. Implemented remarketing campaign to re-engage previous website visitor and encourage repeat purchases. Leverage custom affinity and in-market audience. Target user actively searching for jewelry and related products. Bid management at budget. Allocation. Employed automated bidding strategy like target ROS to optimize bid and maximize conversion within the target ROS. We continuously monitor, set up the bids based on the performance data and market trends. Allocated budget strategies across highly performing campaign and ad group to ensure we got maximum ROI. Landing page optimization. Ensure landing page were mobile friendly, visually appealing and had clear call to action. Conducted A/B testing on landing pages to improve conversion rate and user experience. Integrated seamless checkouts process to reduce cart abandonment rates. Results. The implementation of the above strategies result in remarkable success for the jewelry business. Here are key outcomes. Monthly sales. Achieve over 50 plus monthly sales constantly. ROS. We maintained an impressive ROS of 17x across the US and Australia markets. Conversion rate. We significantly improved the conversion rate, contributing to higher sales and revenue. Cost effectiveness. Optimize ad spend to ensure cost effective while maximizing sales. In the meantime of conclusion, we leveraging a comprehensive wide data-driven Google Ads strategy, we successfully helped the jewelry business achieve substantial growth in sales and maintain a high ROS. The tailored approach, focusing on keywords, optimization, compile ad copies, audience targeting, strategy, bid management and landing page optimization played a crucial role in driving success for the client. So If you have PPC ads in the same niche, reach out for a free audit by the WhatsApp number on the top right. If you don't have any PPC ad yet, don't worry, contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and location targeting for the tailored proposal. So if you found this video is helpful to you, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.